There he is. Little baby woodpecker. He's getting on the bird feeder here in a minute. Yep, that's Woody Woodpecker Jr. Oh, there's Senior. There's a daddy or mommy. He come right to it, too. Pretty cool, man. I've been around here 59 years. I ain't never seen any woodpeckers around here. There's a baby, there's a daddy, mommy, whoever it is. Pretty cool. Suet or something that get at that Rural King for bird feeders. It's moist. You gotta put gloves on and put it in that bird feeder. Baby woodpecker and a mommy, probably. Or daddy, I'm not sure. Scared that little dude, that black. He's pecking at him, motherfucker.
That's because he came at him. He pecked at him first. That blackbird did.
Woody Woodpecker. Who, we pecked him?
See?
Yeah. Get him, buddy. That's woodpecker.
Ooh, he's pissed.
That's woodpecker food right there at that white side. Oh, he gone.